Make a great choice today with the 2018 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, wheel covers, remote trunk release, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.